Hello, mga beshi! I'm here sa vlog! So, nakita naman mabila naman ako, guys. Dahil going to birthday events. Birthday aking apo Nina, Vanessa. So, maga na pong Tito J, Vanessa. So, friend ng aking auntie, Chichian. So, papaksin niya po yung daw ko Chichian. So, ngayon, papunta na kami sa event, guys. Ayan. So, nakalipanda na po yung isa po, Bonena, Vanessa. Came po ang bell na siya from Maliwalo, ang Bacolod, Pampanga. And so, nandito na kami sa event nyo. Sa birthday ng apo Nina Vanessa. So, birthday na 90 birthday. So, grabe daming tao, guys. Oh my gosh. So, bongga yung birthday, guys. Maganda yung setup, guys. Maganda yung setup. So nice. And, ito naman, guys. Events. Birthday ng apo. Ponina Vanessa. So, and happy monkey birthday, Lola. Hapon Nina Vanessa. Love you so much. Thank you for the bike. Love ng Kiko J. Vanessa. Thank you for the bike. And kaya kami families, and happy birthday po, Lola. So, enjoy, and be strong, and ingat ka palagi, Lola. So, love you so much. Basta palakas ka palagi. I love you so much. And, taka, pumatang pamang tamo, guys. Let's go. And so, let's do it, guys, everyone. Samahan niyo kung kumain, guys. Ayan. And so, tapos yung danap, guys. Happy birthday, Apo Polina, Vanessa. So, may kapsi kami po. Thank you so much po again. Thank you for the event again. Kaya kami family. Thank you so much po. Lalo na Kiko J. Thank you so much po. And, so nice yung event. Set up. And so nice. So, bongga. So, first time na nakita ang gantong bongga, guys. So, check out na ng birthday, guys. And, saan dito sa place, first ako din kapunta dito, guys. Pauwi na kami, guys. So, gawin ko kaya kabalan po, Pampanga, sa akin po. Balik namin kong balik. So, thank you so much po. Thank you so much, Tiko J, for the event again. So, thank you so much po. Iminit kami si Tabi po. And, enjoy kami po. Thank you so much po. I love you so much, Tiko J. I love you so much. And so, nandito ko lang nakikitapos yung vlog ko, guys. And thank you for watching. I love you so much, guys.